welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig install. You guys, I'm feeling really everyday Beyonce-ish with this hair. This is so cute. I ordered from a company called Ali Annabelle. This is my first time ordering from them, so I'm gonna share with you guys my thoughts. I'm gonna show you guys how I installed it. Today I kept the video a little bit more chatty. We're gonna talk about what we're doing. I'm gonna try to explain to you what I did, but what I know that I did was I did not pluck the hairline. I feel like the hairline is giving what it's supposed to give. I did bleach the knots for anyone interested, but we don't have no baby hairs. Honey, this is cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this wig install. I've got a ton more wig installs coming up. You guys have been loving them, and I low-key feel like I'm getting better when it comes to these wig installs. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's hop straight into the video.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
This is my first time ordering from this company. This is what the dust bag looks like. I'm gonna just share with you guys just what comes in the inside. I got a 20-inch. It was highlighted, and it's 150 density, some lashes, and then a little hair card. Okay. And then it says if you follow the store, you can get like $10 off. This is the wig. I have already washed it, and this is how the beautiful curls looks. It actually looks a bit more wavy than anything. Inside, it's got, how many combs? It's got 3 combs, so 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and then it has some adjustable straps. They do give you some extra lace in the back in case you guys want to glue it down, but I'm gonna just cut that off because I don't need it. So I cut the back end off, and what I wanna do is just try on the wig. But I think that I wanna go in with a bit of my powder. It's not too dark. It's like a shade lighter than my skin. I'm only gonna go with 1 layer because I don't want anything too permanent. So I genuinely like this glue. I think it's perfect for melting the hair. I think that if you guys really want to learn how to melt your wigs, you need to go in with a stronger glue than got2b, because got2b really doesn't hold anything down. Granted, it helps after you've melted it, but if you're like really trying to go for like a melt that lasts all day, just 1 coat of glue is fine. But here I am just wiping the glue into my hairline, and you gotta just make sure this is as flat as you can get it. You don't gotta worry about super smoothing it out because it is going to dry clear, like I said, because some people were like, oh well, can I put it on when it's still like white like this? And no, because what's gonna happen is you're gonna see the glue through the lace, and it's gonna just make your lace look really tacky. So we're gonna lay our wig together because I feel like that's the most important part. What we're gonna do, you guys, I like to take mine in 1 whole strip. Just make sure, kind of like have a good hold of it. And then you're gonna just bring it to that line. Okay, now this side, just bring it over. And you're gonna place it on that line. Wasn't that easy, you guys? Then we're going to take our comb and just comb it and really press it in there. This is what the hairline is looking like so far. Really nice. I didn't pluck it like I said. So as some of you guys know, I like to cut it off in sections. I think that it just makes it super easy. You guys, this color is so pretty. We're doing it together. I'm sacrificing my lace for y'all. We're doing it together. You 110% need an eyebrow razor because this just makes your process that much easier. I'm literally going to do it right here. No mirror. So I just, you know, kind of cut, and then boom. It's okay. We're gonna spray it again, and it's going to super melt it. But if you accidentally cut some hair off, do know that it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing it because I'm not gonna mess it up like that, but BRB. Okay, you guys, today this step is 110% necessary. We've got to go in with our got2b because the hairline needs some extra blending. Yeah, when you spray that on there, you guys, it just instantly melts it some more. Okay, put that bad boy on. So it is a 13 by 4. The parting space on the side is super small, so it's very small, so you can't really get away with doing that much when it comes to side parting, but you do have a 13x4 frontal area to work with. You can probably get like a semi-deep side swoosh. Semi-deep, you would have to put some makeup in there, but I'm 110% feeling the color. Let me show you guys the length. I think they said that it was a 20-inch. Okay, you guys, so I just took off the band and this is what it's looking like. It's actually giving major scalp itch. I like, because like I said, I did not pluck. To me it looks really good, y'all, and I never do no half up half down like this, but I've been trying to do some different styles for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy. How do you like me with my different hairstyles?
Love it.
My husband says he loves it. When I washed the hair, I used the purple shampoo, so I feel like it did tone the hair a bit. Do I keep the natural body wave or do I extra crimp it? You guys, this is how the hair turned out. I did not end up putting any product in it. I just kind of washed it last night, let it air dry, and this is the texture that we have. This is technically supposed to be 20 inches. Let me turn off this fan. When I say that this is one of my favorite hair colors, I just absolutely love it. I feel like it complements my skin tone really well, and of course, if you're a different shade, it will complement you well as well. It's just giving Beyonce. You know what I mean? I do enjoy the top half. As you guys can see, or as you guys noticed, I did not hot comb it, and I feel like if I did hot comb it, it would just be super flat. I do wish that I might have gotten a 200 density just for the style, because what I do want to do is kind of like tease it to make it bigger, just for my own liking. But in real life, this is a whole vibe. Like when I say I am here for it and I feel super cute, and it just, you know, makes me feel very confident. I love it. I love the lace. I feel like with this lace in particular, if you're a different skin tone, you can definitely tint it and get it to be your correct skin tone. And if you're lighter than me, you can definitely use it, because in the past, sometimes I've gotten wigs that the hairline is too dark and I really don't know how to fix darker laces, you know what I mean? But I feel like this was the perfect lace. It gives you the opportunity to really customize it. You guys, if you guys think that I'm talking a lot, it's because I'm really feeling this hairstyle. I'm feeling this hair color. I just think it's so cute. I could go out and really enjoy my day because I'm feeling really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Recently, when it comes to wig installs, I've just been trying to give you guys more of a variety, especially when it comes to hairstyles, just so you guys can see what you can do. I would say the pros about this hair is I love the color. I love the texture of the hair. Like, I like that after I washed it, it gave me this nice little body wave color, like a body wave. So far it hasn't tangled. Of course, when I washed it, it was easy breezy. The wig did not come with a scent, and I feel like it's gonna be easy to manage. The only con that I would say is that on the side, when it comes to the parting, you really don't get any parting. You just get enough to kind of hide the tracks, but that's it. The tracks are super flat, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and y'all, I am definitely here for this. I feel like it's super cute, and this might be one of my go-to wigs, like a go-to throw-on wig, because this is just way too cute.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.